If you have accidentally deleted important files, emptied your recycle bin, or even formatted a drive, you are probably looking for a quick way to get those memories or documents back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate TENORSHARE 4DDIG data recovery so you can unlock its full premium features and restore your lost data in just a few minutes. Activating the software is incredibly simple, but there are 1 or 2 little steps you need to make sure you do right so your registration code goes through cleanly. The first step is to get the software open on your machine. Now, a quick and super important step before we click anything. Make sure your computer is actively connected to the internet. The software needs to pin your server to verify your official license key. If you don't have the program installed yet, or if you need to quickly grab your premium license, I have made it incredibly easy for you. I have placed the official download and discount link right at the top of the video description and pinned comment below. Go ahead and click that link right now to open up the official page. Now, if you are on a Windows PC, simply click that big blue free download button. If you are a Mac user, don't worry. This tool is fully available for Mac OS as well. Just click the small Mac logo right underneath the main download button to grab the correct version for your system. Once the download finishes, which usually takes just a few seconds, go ahead and open the installer file directly from your web browser's download bar. From there, just follow the quick on-screen setup prompts to install it. When the installation completes, launch TENORSHARE 4DDIG data recovery. You will see the main dashboard look just like this. Now that we have the dashboard open, let's get this activated. Look up at the very top right corner of the software window. You will see a small key icon. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you click that, a registration window is going to pop up right in the middle of your screen, asking for your credentials. This is exactly where we will enter your license details to unlock the full premium features. Now, inside this registration window, you will see the option to sign in using the email address registered with your Tenorshare ID. If you haven't registered your account yet, don't worry. You just need to click Create a New Account right here. First, type in your email address. And right below that, in the verification box, click the Send button. A unique verification code will be sent straight to your email inbox. Just copy that unique code from your email, paste it right here, and then drop down to create your password. Make sure your password is between 8 and 100 characters long and includes both letters and symbols to meet the system requirements. Once that is filled out, click the blue register button to complete it. Now, since I already have an active registered email address, I'm simply going to sign directly into mine instead. The awesome thing about TENORSHARE 4DDIG data recovery is that it completely removes the hassle of typing in long license keys. The software dynamically pairs your premium status directly to your account. If you are following along and realize you still need to purchase your premium plan to link it to your new account, make sure to click the special link I have left in the video's description and pinned comment below to instantly save 20% off both on the Windows and Mac versions. It links directly to your Tenorshare ID profile the moment you check out. Once your account details are filled in, the software will quickly pin the server, verify your active plan, and just like that, you will get a success message confirming your TENORSHARE 4DDIG data recovery is fully activated and ready to go. Now you simply need to return to the software screen to proceed with recovering your lost files. And there you go. TENORSHARE 4DDIG is now fully activated and ready to scan your drives. From here, you can simply select whatever drive or folder you lost your files from and hit that scan button to start bringing your data back. Now, if this step-by-step walkthrough saved you a headache and helped you get your account up and running cleanly, please do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe. And remember, if you still need to purchase your license to link to your account, don't pay full price. Use my 20% off discount link right down in the description or pinned comment.